Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch and would like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'll be reviewing the Rolex Day-Date 36 in rose gold and diamonds with an Eisenkiesel dial, reference 128345RBR. I'll tell you a little bit about the case, bezel, dial, bracelet movement, finally try it on and give you my thoughts. So let's start with just a tiny history. The Day-Date 36 came out in the early 50s, and it's since really gone on to be one of the best sellers for Rolex. They have a lot of different variations of it. This is one of the latest ones. And when I mean latest ones, I mean because it has diamonds not only all over the bezel, the dial, and on the bracelet. So it's really the top of the line. Not a whole lot higher than this. Actually, nothing really higher than this. So if you like diamonds, if you like gold, if you like Rolex, then definitely this would be a watch for you. Okay, now just with that said, where does it stand in the lineup? Well, they make a lot of different day dates. You can separate them by material: rose gold, yellow gold, white gold, and platinum, and this one has to be in rose gold. And they also do the same thing but without the diamond bracelet. So if the diamonds on the bracelet are a little too much for you, well, you could also do it just with a regular president bracelet, no diamonds on the bracelet. Okay, now but this one does have diamonds on the bracelet. Okay, all right, now with that said, let's start talking about the watch itself, starting with the case. The case is 36 millimeters, which is actually going to fit a man or a woman. For the longest time, I'll say 50s until early 2000s, so like 50 years, Rolex was making their day dates with 36 millimeter size. So it's fine. It can fit either a man or a woman, especially with all these diamonds everywhere. You don't want it looking too big or look too, blingy. It's already very blingy. So, okay, now with that said, the 36 millimeters is made out of rose gold, and there's no diamonds actually on the case. They just do diamonds on the bezel, which I guess leads me to the next portion of this talk. Oh, by the way, in day date, they only make the day date. Day date means they have a day and the date, Monday through Sunday, 1 through 31. It's also known as a president watch. They only make it in size 36 or 40. 36 for ladies and guys who have smaller wrists, or size 40. So that's it, those two sizes. Okay, now let's move on here to the bezel. Now the bezel is going to have round diamonds, and Rolex just does a great job on these diamonds. They use expert gem setters, and they meticulously align and secure each of the diamonds such that the strength, regularity, and proportions of the setting are done so that it really provides a real sparkling symphony to enhance the watch and enchant the wearer. Okay, so that is the bezel. It's all diamonded out, as you can see. But that wasn't enough for Rolex. Rolex decided, you know what? Not only are we going to do that, we're going to do it on the dial. But the dial is even more special. This is what they call an Eisenkiesel dial. I'm sure that means something in, I don't know, some kind of language. But basically, it is a brown stone that was just used not long ago. They started using this, as in Rolex, started using this in 2021. The Eisenkiesel, what gives it this brown red color is that it's an iron oxide, and it has a delicately veined quartz. So these little striations, or what do you call these, pattern or whatever this stuff, those are veined quartz. And it's cut out of the raw material. The dial is cut out of a block of this Eisenkiesel stone. So it's a natural stone. So you can't expect it to all look the same, or even one to look like another. Yes, they will look similar, but that's the beauty of a natural stone, is that they look, all kind of unique in that way. Okay, so it adds its own unique personality to it, if you will. And then on top of that, they do these Roman numerals in diamonds, which also I think is really cool. And if you noticed, if you look at the Roman numerals, they're actually deconstructed. The only Roman numeral that you see actually here is 6 and 9. The rest are all actually just regular indexes. And that's so that the watch doesn't look too cluttered. Before they actually did the Roman numerals, they spelled out the Roman numerals, but then the 6 to 9 section got too crowded, and it just made the watch look not symmetrical and actually just too busy. So they reduced that down to what you see now, and it looks a lot better. Okay, let's look at the bracelet. Now, the bracelet is really, wow, something to behold here. I mean, I don't think many people have seen a bracelet like this. A lot of people have seen a president bracelet. It's just 3 semicircular links across. But Rolex decided to take their top end day date to the next level and put diamonds on the center links where it used to be high polished. And if you actually look carefully at the diamonds, you'll see 6 across and 3 down. It's actually so that makes it 18 on each. And think about it, it's 18 links on each of these. 18 diamonds on each of these sublinks. So imagine how many that is. You know, so I guess it's a diamond and a gold bracelet. So it's pretty. You can't really get much better than that. Okay, and let's see what else we can say about this. Oh, let's talk about the movement here. Now, movement is going to be your standard movement of all day dates. They all use the same movement, which is a caliber 3255, whether it's a 40 millimeter or 36 millimeter, and it has 70-hour power reserve. So, okay, time to try this watch on my wrist and give my thoughts. Now, one of my thoughts is that Rolex really is trying to do the top end day date in the most glamorous way possible. So if you're a person who likes to really have a watch that shines and stands out, definitely this one would be it. And it actually could be worn by a man or a woman, given the size. And so I actually seen. Does anyone know who Conor McGregor is? Pretty sure you do, right? He's a UFC fighter. He actually is wearing he actually has a day date that has all these crazy diamonds on it, and I seen him only on TV, that is, but I seen him wear it, and yeah, it looks pretty awesome. He has a big, huge wrist, but he still wears a size 36. They don't make it with the diamonds in size 40, so yeah. But anyways, okay. So what are my thoughts? I just think it's really nice, and for this price point, you get really top of the line. Rolex can't really get much better than this. So if you want to get it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.